If your business hasn't taken IT seriously for a while now, what often happens is when you're trying to develop a strategy, the stuff that has to be done urgently, and you end up being distracted by noise. So my advice is very simple. Work out how you're going to get IT to deliver business value and reduce the risks of using technology. Don't be a bean counter, but also don't be looking at shiny, we could do all this stuff if you haven't got the basics right. You get the basics right first, you have a sensible budget, and you plan to replace systems, upgrade systems on a sensible life cycle. You're not sitting at home with one computer. Once you've got 20, 50, 1,000 computers, you need a plan, you need a budget to replace those machines, to manage these systems and put the right tools in place. A lot of businesses at the moment are getting very excited about AI, but they haven't looked at looking at what they're doing with document management, that is permissions around how things stored, retention around documents. They haven't thought about how you're going to get systems so they would work properly at scale. Just because something works on your PC or in the lab does not mean that it's going to scale out to a commercially viable solution. So if you want to get away from the break fix, the panic of IT, my advice is look to do a 3-year plan. Don't just leave it and wing it, because IT is by far the most cost-effective way to grow your business. So if you want to grow your business quickly, the best way of doing that is to use tech. It's around 10 times cheaper than hiring people, and for every pound spent, you should get around 30x back. And if you're not doing that, it's because you're not using IT to deliver business value. And that's the mistake. So figure out a plan, work out what you need to do, and then budget accordingly. I can give you some very rough numbers for this if that's helpful. But at the moment, what I'm finding is that what businesses are doing is they're going, well, can we cut the IT costs for the basics so we can invest in new tech? But what that then means is that you're kicking the can down the road. And that means later on, you're going to spend a lot more money sorting out the basics. There's no point spending money for somebody to sit at a computer where they're wasting an hour a day. It's just crazy. And also there's the cybersecurity risks, let alone anything else. I hope that helps. If you've got any thoughts, ideas, let me know in the comments. Speak to you soon.